everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to generate AI-powered subject lines for email marketing. So let's suppose I'm running e-commerce store and for my email marketing, I'm adding the email topics in my Google Sheet spreadsheet. Now I want that as soon as I add a new data in my Google Sheet spreadsheet, the subject should be automatically generated with the help of my AI agent. Here I'm going to use my AI agent as OpenAI and the row should be automatically updated in my Google Sheets. Now doing this manually is a very time-consuming task, so I'm completely going to automate this process, and to do this automation I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Google Sheets, OpenAI and then Google Sheets. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a way that as soon as I am going to add a new data in my Google Sheets spreadsheet, the subject will be automatically generated with the help of OpenAI and the row will be automatically updated. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to generate AI-powered subject lines for email marketing. For this, I've created an automation workflow with the help of Pabbly Connect, where I have built connection between Google Sheets and OpenAI. And now we are going to check this automation workflow once. For that, I will be adding a topic in my Google Sheets spreadsheet. And if the subject is automatically generated, then this means this automation workflow is working fine. So here I'm going to open my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So here I have added my email topic as Summer Fitness Special, get 3 months for the price of 2. Then I have added the email body and then I have added the target audience, and you will see just in few minutes the subject will be automatically added. We are going to refresh this page once. And here we can see that the subject has been automatically added in my Google Sheets spreadsheet. Here is the subject. I have received 5 subject lines. Unlock 25% off. The second is your summer wardrobe. The third is dive into summer style. The fourth is don't miss out. Fifth is heat up your wardrobe. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to generate AI-powered subject lines for email marketing. For this, I'm going to create automation between Google Sheets and OpenAI with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now, after browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see 2 options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect Access now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I've created over here. Now, if you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow button. And first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first, let's name this workflow as how to generate AI-powered subject lines for email marketing. And now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders which have been created. And here I'm going to select this as AI agent and then click on create. Here workflow created successfully. As soon as I've clicked on create, 2 boxes will appear in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to generate email subject based on the email topics which I will be adding, which means whenever I'm going to add a topic or email body in my Google Sheets spreadsheet, the subject line should be automatically generated with the help of OpenAI. So here trigger says when this happens. So when I'm going to add a new topic and body in my Google Sheets spreadsheet and then action says do this, then create subject automatically. So here in my trigger application, I will be taking Google Sheets, and then in my action application, I will be taking OpenAI, with the help of which we are going to generate the subject. And then we are again going to add this to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So again, as my action application, I will be taking Google Sheets. So here in my trigger application, let's quickly take Google Sheets. And then in my trigger event, I'm going to take this new or updated spreadsheet row. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk, we are going to build this connection, and to make this connection, let me open my Google Sheets. So this is my Google Sheets which I have created by the name email subject, and I am going to add an email topic, email body, target audience, and after that I want to send this to my Pabbly Connect workflow. So first I am going to add all these details. So here I have written my email topic as flash sale on home decor up to 50% off. Then I'm going to write the email body as, hello, we have got some exciting news. Our flash sale is live and it's your chance to grab your favorite home decor items at up to 50% off. I'm going to add the target audience. So here I have added a target audience also, homeowners, interior design enthusiast, ages 25 to 45. Now I want to send this data to my Pabbly Connect workflow. For that, what I have to do, I have to go towards this extensions, go to this add-ons, and then click on this get add-ons. Here Google Workspace Marketplace will appear in front of you, where you need to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks, and it will show installed because I have already installed this in my Google Sheets. But if you are doing this for the first time, make sure that you follow the same process and install this Pabbly Connect webhooks in your Google Sheets. Now after that you install this Pabbly Connect webhooks, it will start appearing over here. Now what you have to do, you have to go towards this initial setup. So this box has appeared in front of, and I needed to enter this webhook URL on the trigger column. So this is the same webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'm going to copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here. Next, I need to enter the trigger column. So the trigger column will be a final data entry column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL or the Pabbly Connect workflow. Now here my final data entry column is column C. This target audience column is my final data entry column. After this column, I won't be adding the subject. I want to generate the subject, so I won't be adding the subject in column D. So my column, the trigger column, the last column or the final data entry column has become column C. Now I hope this is clear to you. Trigger column simply means the final data entry column, the column on which we are finally going to enter the data, and as soon as I enter the data, the complete row data will be sent to Pabbly Connect workflow. Now I am simply going to click on send test, and you will see the test data will be sent. So here all the details are sent to Pabbly Connect workflow, and now we have to click on the submit also. So here setup configured successfully. We have successfully added this webhook URL which we were provided in Pabbly Connect workflow in this Google Sheet spreadsheet. And now we have to follow a very important step. We have to go towards this extensions, go to Pabbly Connect webhooks, and then click on the send on event. So this step will make sure whatever data we add in future, it is sent to Pabbly Connect. If we do not click on send on event, whatever data we add in future will not be sent and the content will not be generated. So here this step is very important after you set up the webhook in this spreadsheet. Now let's open my workflow, and here we can see that we have received the response. The trigger column was column C. Here is the target audience. The spreadsheet name was email subject. Email topic was this and email body was this. Now I want to generate subject on this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my AI agent as OpenAI as my action application. And then in my action event, I'm going to take this as ChatGPT and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, I have to enter the token. Following the help desk given below, I'm going to enter the token and I'm going to click on the hyperlink given over here. And it has taken me towards this API keys page. Now to create a new API token, I simply need to click on this create new secret key. First, I have to name this key. So let's say the name is testing. The project remains default project. The permissions will be all. And then you simply need to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to you, which you need to copy and paste that over here. Now here I have already an existing connection. I have created this connection multiple times. That's why I'm going to select this as existing connection and then go with the save. So here OpenAI is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter the AI model and the prompt. Now in this drop down, I have all the AI models. I'm going to select this as GPT-4o Mini. If you do not find your AI model in this drop-down, simply toggle on this mapping button, remove this AI model and enter your own AI model. As I have my AI model in this drop-down, I have selected that. Next, I need to enter the prompt. So I'm going to enter the prompt in a way that I have given the email body and the topic in this Google Sheets spreadsheet. I'm going to map that response in this prompt and I want to generate the subject. So I'm going to add the prompt like, so here I have written, you are a professional email copywriter. Based on this email content, I am going to add the email topic, generate 5 compelling subject lines that drive open rates. The audience is, I am going to add the audience, just give me subjects and not the rest of the text. Now here I am going to add all the details which I have received in my Google Sheets response. As we are not going to enter this manually, I am going to use a method called mapping, which means we are going to enter the data from the previous response. Now here I have received the response from Google Sheets. When I click on this, I can see this Google Sheets. When I click on this, I can see all the response which I have received from there. Here I need to enter the email topic and the email topic is this, flash sale on home decor. So I have entered that and then I have to enter the audience. So the audience was this one, homeowners, interior design enthusiasts. And then I'm going to add, if you want to add the email body, you can add the email body. I'm going to enter the email content. Here on the top, I had this email content. So here I have entered that. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now that I have entered these details, I am simply going to click on the save and send test request and you will see that we have received the response. And here we can see that we have received the response in this message content. I have my response. First is unmissable flash sale, second is refresh your space, third is limited time only, fourth is don't wait, grab your favorite home decor, fifth is elevate your home styles. I have successfully received the response and now I want to add this to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So for that, I'm going to click on this add action step button and again I'm going to take my action application as Google Sheets and then in my action event, I'm going to select update row. Now I'm going to click on this connect. Now here, as I have already an existing connection now, I'm going to go with the save. And here Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter the spreadsheet. Now this is the spreadsheet which I have created by the name email subject. From this drop down, I'm going to select my spreadsheet as email subject and the sheet will be automatically selected. Now I'm going to enter the row index. So here I have received the response in my Google Sheets response. The row index is this. I have mapped that. And now the topic, body and audience are already filled data. I am going to fill this data which I have received from my OpenAI, which is for the subject column. So I am going to enter this response which I have received from my AI agent. Now here I have mapped this row index because this row index will be keep changing as soon as I will be adding new details. Over here you can see that this is the column A, column B, column C, and here we have this row 2, which is A2, B2, C2. The subject is on D2. Now when I will be adding new topic in this A3, B3, C3, the next detail that will be added will be D3. So this is how this row index is going to work. I have kept these fields blank because I want to keep this empty. The data is already present here in these fields. So I have simply added the detail or the data for the subject column. Now I'm simply going to click on save and send test request and you will see that we have received the response. I have opened my Google Sheets spreadsheet and here we can see that this subject has been automatically added to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. Now to summarize, we took Google Sheets as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We submitted the data and received that response here in this workflow. Then we moved to the next step where we wanted OpenAI to generate the subject lines for us. So we gave the prompt, entered or mapped the details, and then we wanted to update the row value with the response which we have received from OpenAI. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between Google Sheets, OpenAI with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.